Leading off the third inning for Flood City, number 11, Gaston Watkins.
Luke, no. In front, nothing easy.
Go, Let's be loud, boys. Let's go. Restart.
Now batting for Flood City, number 26, Shane McHugh.
Time.
Go Hammer, let's go 2-6. Go boys. Get the ball out. Yeah, boys, go. Be loud.
What?
Go. Go Hammer. Let's go now 2-6.
Ball.
Go.
Keep it in front.
Go Hammer.
Luke, here we go.
What?
Ball. Two.
Now batting for Flood City, number 9, Cole Yoder.
Ball. Still a ball. Don't ever hold.
Let's go, Cole. You're not.
There you go. Hurt. Luke.
Kick the ball, Cole.
One.
What's going on?
Good.
Go, Cole. What's going on? Just keep going to the gaps.
What?
Good night. What's going on? 9.
Foul.
Here
we go. Jacob, come get it.
Good night. Let's go, Cole.
What?
Good night. Go, Cole. Come on now, Cole. Good.
Now batting for Flood City, number 21, Dalton Strick.
Hey, get the next one. Leave that there. We got the next one. Let's go. Hey, Luke.
All right, hold on. Is there a problem with it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We got that. This is the right batter. All right. Just want to make sure.
Let's go, Logie. Let's go, Logie.
What?
Let's go, Logie. Let's go, Logie.
There you go. Go get it. Your turn, Luke.
Foul.
Let's go, boys. Let's go.
Make that hurt, Lo.
Kel, slide step.
Turn your hips and sprint.
Come back. Don't worry about it.
What?
Yellow again.
Let's go, Luke.
Wash your hands.
Let's go, Luke. Let's go, Fish.
Get on.
Good eye, kid. Let's go, 3. Let's go, 3. Low. Come on, Luke.
Again.
Fish. Come on, kid. Let's go, Luke. Let's go, Fish.
Oh,
Good eye. Let's go, kid.
Help, Logan.
2-1.
Get him, Cal.
Hey, doing great, Kel. Doing great, kid. You're good, Kelly. You're good.
Let's go, Luke. Let's go, Fish. Come on, kid. Let's go, Luke.
One.
Get Carlos. Sir.
Time.
Come on, boy.
Time's out.
Let's go 2-1.
Ball stand.
Now batting for Flood City, number 21, Dalton Strick.
Pop.
Hey, go to work now. Line drive, buddy. Line drive. Luke, back 2. Get in there, Q. Get out.